This session highlights the features of the home page. After logging in, the first page displayed is your home page. Let me make 3 general comments. First, your home page enables the services subscribed by your company, so your home page may not have all the menu options discussed in this session. Second, you can individualize your home page using the features found on the black left side panel containing the site selection fields and a list of shortcuts, which I will mention again later in this session. Third, if a feature introduced in this session is not accessible from your home page, contact your InCommand service rep to learn how to enable the feature. Okay, let's look at specific features of the home page. Starting at the top is the black welcome bar, which welcomes you by name, followed by up to 6 different clickable options. The first option is click access to the map. You can return to the map from any page in the portal by clicking on the map icon. Next is click access to your profile. Clicking on your profile opens up your user profile and offers a red edit button that you can use to change your default site, your default room, your password, your email address, etc. Make sure to click Save User after making any changes to ensure that your profile changes are saved. After the profile are 2 options available only to site operators. One is the access to the request list at the site, and the other is access to manage the task list for the operator. Next is click access to your company's document repository, and lastly is click access to log out of the portal. Moving down the page, underneath the InCommand logo is the name of the data center the portal is currently focusing on and the security desk phone number for that data center. Moving to the left is the black site selections field and shortcut panel. The site selection fields auto-populate with the user's default site and room information, but are easily changed using the drop-down menus. The shortcut list enables you to store single-click shortcuts to your favorite portal pages. After viewing this video, I recommend that you take a few minutes to view a short video that discusses the shortcut panel. You can do so by clicking on this video icon in the upper right-hand corner of the panel. The next items to discuss on the home page is the gray menu bar items. The first menu item available to all users is the request list. The request list menu tree enables a user to submit requests to a site's operations team, and likewise enables operation team members to respond and update the request, keeping users informed every step of the way through resolution. The Data Center Views menu tree provides visibility of the IT infrastructure at each site, including room layouts, rack elevations, device lists, and more. Next is the Migration Planning menu tree. The options on this menu tree enable a project manager to plan rack elevations and cable requirements for physical migrations and consolidation projects. Next is the Add Infrastructure menu tree. This enables a manager to add, update, and change infrastructure items at a data center. Next is the IT Ops menu tree. It enables a manager to plan and create work orders for IT changes, including things like commissions, decommissions, and such. Next is the Facility Ops menu tree. This tree enables facility teams to track preventative maintenance, maintain shift schedules, servicing vendor lists, storage inventories, and more. Next is the admin menu tree, which allows an administrator to easily perform administrative tasks. Next is the reports menu tree, which provides easy access to dashboards and a host of other pre-programmed reports and lists. Finally, the training menu tree provides options to portal training videos like the one you're watching now. The next item to discuss on the home page is the map and the map pins. Mousing over a map pin displays the name of the site and the address of the site. Clicking on a mouse pin opens up a panel of details on that site. It also updates the site selection field to the pin you clicked on, and it updates the security desk phone number for that site. Clicking on another site opens up that panel, and I'll click on the Santa Clara site, and we'll talk a little bit about the panel. Again, on the panel is the site name and address, followed by the weather conditions at that site, followed by a high-level view of capacity and infrastructure information about the site, and the available rooms at the site. Finally, by double-clicking on a site, a user is taken to a street view of the site if they care to see such. The last item that I'm going to discuss is the blue geographic regions. By clicking on a region like the European region, you can go to the European map, the Asian region, the Australian region, or the USA region. That concludes the introduction to InCommand's homepage. Thank you for your time and enjoy using the InCommand portal.